Hi everyone, this is the Anman 21 volt cordless power washer. It will deliver about 800 PSI. And the great thing about this, it is cordless, runs off a 21 volt battery, and you do not need a water supply as far as from a spigot or a hydrant. You just run this out of a bucket. That's what's so awesome about this. This thing is so portable. You can take it camping. You can take it, you can just take it anywhere as long as you have roughly some water source that you could just draw out of. What's included is the 110 volt plug-in adapter. And that just plugs into the battery, charges it that way through the port on the back. It has the hose, which is very lengthy. You have an adapter here that you can actually adapt a soda bottle to it. So if you have like a 2-liter bottle of soda, you can, and you fill that up with water, you can actually dispense it through the machine. It comes with a filter that can be dipped down in the bucket or whatever source of water you're doing. The spray wand that has 6-in-1 different settings. So it's just rotate whichever setting you want, and that's what it will deliver. And then you also have a soap gun. This is totally cool. So if you load this up with a little bit of soap and then connect this onto the gun, you'll be able to do a soap cannon. And then you also have the head unit itself. And then you also have the nice hardy case, which has a couple clips and a handle. So this thing is very compact once it's broken down. And I'll just show you how easy it is to put the wand on. You just take that, insert it in, and a quarter turn, and it's on. The power button is right down here. So we'll go ahead and slip in the battery. I'm not going to hit this power button. I'm not going to run it dry. So that's all there is to it. It's very well balanced, and it's very nice. All right, to assemble it, we're going to unscrew the bottom connector here. We're going to slip this connector, slip the hose right in through it, put it on the barb fitting, and then on the other end of the hose, we can take our filter. So we'll just go ahead and put that in, and we're going to go ahead and get some water and test this thing out. Okay. All right, we've got our power washer, and I'm, believe it or not, I'm super excited about this. Okay, I'm going to set my head. Just like that, here it comes. So all right, we're going to go ahead, find out a head that actually we want to use. Ooh, I like that. All right. Oop. Okay, we'll try a different setting. So far, this thing's awesome. Okay, so I've used probably maybe a third of the water that's in the container. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this and put on the soap cannon. Okay, so on my soap cannon, you do have to add a little water in here. I didn't realize that. I've never actually got to play with one before. And so I've got a little bit of soap in the bottom, and then I filled the rest of it up with water. Okay, I'm going to pop that off. Just like that, it's done. I have about roughly 1 gallon of water left. That was a 3-gallon bucket. So yeah, I totally see myself bringing this camping. And what I'll probably use is just a water keg, a jerry can, 6 gallons of water, and be able to wash the side by side or quad off every time after we get back and keep a nice clean unit. All right, I'm going to show you a couple more applications of what you can do with it. And so far, this thing is super handy, and I'm totally enjoying it. Again, it's the Anman cordless 21 volt cordless power washer. So we're going to pick a couple other things and show you how it does.